Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before start the video, I'm humbly request for you please subscribe my YouTube channel and watch the video. Thank you. Today I'm explain to rain hazards and rain tips and what of the procedure and what of the safety precaution and what is a safety protocols. I'm share you and you are receive. 8 types for rainy season. Center safety types for the rainy season. Don't touch electrical wires. Avoid walking in the rain. Take precautions. Agents understand this. Please drive slowly and carefully. Unplug electronic appliances. Make sure your windows and shut properly. Shut mean of close your window. Keep an umbrella and raincoat handy. Prepare an emergency kit. It's have air tips of rainy season. It's most important not skip anyone. Safety tips to remember to learn and take care. This rainy season, rain is on stay safe. It's understand its mean of slides to prepare your safety protocols to rainy season after going to home. But don't miss driving in the rain. 8 tips for safe driving in rainy weather. It's most important slides. Don't skip. Maintain a good distance. Have perfect working verbs since you entirely depend on them for road visibility. Trees must be in good shape with enough train depth and properly irrigated to avoid skidding. Slippery road surface effectively increase the braking distance. Have well functional brake. Keep fuel tank full. Watch your speed limit. Drive slower in the rain. The roads are very slick when wet. Turn on your headlights when driving in the rain. The typically and down this part of Tip Fort Road. Too, I hope you understand these slides. So this carefully after you understand drive the car because important for yourself. Rain, rain go away. When the rain season approaches, diseases such as influenza, cholera, typhoid, fever, it's this leptospira and dengue fever tend to spread how you shelter your family from infection, especially drinking the monsoon season. Are you understand? Mean of rain. Rain it's very heavy, dangerous and very good. Good. Drive slow, don't delegate, keep distance, don't drive through flooded area. Try not to splash other. Don't drive through flooded area. Try not to splash other. Use headlights. Are you understand? Yes. Driving in the rain. Be safe, not sorry this season. It's mean of When you drive the car with your family, please check your car condition and check your fuel condition and lights, horn, back horn, and front mirror, side mirror and back mirror. It's most important for your life. Don't skip any parts of your life. Again and tell you, please subscribe my channel and apply these tips of your life, because if you save after you grow the work, do the work at any point of view. So please, first safety, not a safety preference for other self. First save yourself and other self is called safety. It's mean of first approach of you after approach of other self. Understand? If you like my video, share this video for your friends and save yourself and save other self. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Thank you so much.